It always begins in silence. Not the kind that soothes you, but the kind that whispers regret. When the world sleeps and your mind won't. That hour when your soul asks questions your routine can't answer. If you've ever wondered, is this really all there is? If you work hard but still feel broke, if your dreams seem out of reach, this video isn't just for you. It's about you. What I'm about to show you, no school, no job, no advisor ever will. Because once you get it, you're free. Free from debt, free from anxiety, free from alarms set by someone else. FIRE stands for financial independence, retire early. But today it's about more than early retirement. It's about living better, sooner. In 2025, FIRE means buying back your life, your time, your peace, your choices. And no, you don't need a finance degree or six figures. You just need to unlearn the old rules and start fresh. You work hard, you sacrifice sleep, and still your money slips through your fingers. A Gallup study found 71% of workers live paycheck to paycheck. Most won't retire with even a fraction of what they need. Why? Because the system isn't broken. It was built this way. So what does freedom really take? 1. Build multiple income streams. One job isn't security, it's a trap. Side hustles, remote work, AI tools. I'll break them down in part 2. 2. Stop lifestyle creep. FIRE isn't about deprivation, it's about spending with intention. 3. Invest, even if it's small. Index funds, fractional real estate, automate it and let it grow. 4. Learn the math of freedom, your FIRE number, the 4% rule. I'm not here to sell you a course. I'm here because one night I was just like you, and I made a promise. If I ever figured this out, I'd bring everyone with me. You'll get the exact blueprint, the numbers, the plan, everything you need to finally break free. Subscribe now and drop a comment. What's your biggest money fear? I'll answer it in the next video. Let me ask you something no one ever asked you in school. How much money do you need to be free? Not rich, not famous, just free. Free to wake up slowly. Free to work on what lights you up. Free to pick up your kid without guilt. Free to be you. Here's the good news. That number already exists, and today I'll help you find it. Step 1. The FIRE formula. Forget the myth that you need crores to retire. Here's the simple math. Your FIRE number equals your yearly expenses times 25. If you spend 10 lakh a year, you need 2.5 crore. If you spend 5 lakh, you need 1.25 crore. Most people panic when they hear this, but here's the truth. You don't save it all. You grow it. You invest it. Time does the heavy lifting. Step 2. Track your real expenses. What does it truly cost to be you? Look beyond rent and groceries. Add in subscriptions, Amazon orders, travel, school fees. Now average the last 3 months. Multiply that by 12. That's your annual expense. That's your baseline. You might feel two things, shock and power. Shock at how much leaks out. Power, because now you can finally see it. Step 3, know your savings rate, because it's not your income that sets you free. It's how much you keep. Save 10%? You'll reach freedom in 50 years. Save 30%? Around 28. Save 50? 17. Save 70? 8.5. Even someone earning $30,000 a month can reach freedom faster than someone earning 1 lakh if they save better. Because time is your real compounding asset, and you control more of it than you think. Your FIRE number isn't just money, it's a feeling. It's the moment you stop surviving and start designing your life. There are different versions of FIRE too. Coast FIRE, save hard early, then let your investments grow on autopilot. Barista FIRE, reach partial freedom, then work a job you actually enjoy. You don't need to quit overnight. You just need breathing room. And that room is everything. This week, take action. Track your expenses. Find your FIRE number. Know your savings rate. Write it down. Own it. Freedom isn't a fantasy. It's a math problem. with a human heart. Once you know your number, you stop chasing money and start building a life that feels like yours. Albert Einstein once said, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it." You've heard the quote. But today you're going to feel it. And once you do, it'll change how you see time, money, and your future. So what is compounding really? It's when you earn interest, not just on your money, but on the interest your money already earned. In year one, you earn a little. In year two, you earn on that little. By year 10, it starts snowballing. By year 30, it's a financial tsunami. Let me show you. You invest 1 lakh rupees, it grows at 10% annually. You don't touch it, just leave it for 30 years. That 1 lakh becomes over 17 lakh rupees. You didn't add more, just gave it time. Now imagine adding 1 lakh every year for 30 years. You'd invest 30 lakhs, but walk away with nearly 2 crore. That's not magic, that's compounding. It works while you sleep. Here's what it looks like. At first, the growth is boring. Year 5, year 10, nothing dramatic. But around year 15, something shifts. By year 20, it's serious. By year 30, you're a millionaire. And the only reason? You stayed in the game while others quit. Compounding rewards the patient. But the world trains us to be impatient. We chase quick wins, instant results, fast dopamine. That's why most people give up at year 7, right before the magic happens in year 8. If compounding is the engine, your income is the fuel. And in the next part, I'll show you how to build multiple fuel lines, even if you're starting from zero. Your grandparents had one job their whole life. Your parents had one job at a time. You need multiple income engines, because one stream today is a single point of failure. If freedom is the goal, you don't just earn, you build your own economy. One layoff, one medical emergency, one bad boss, and everything can collapse. That's why over 45% of professionals now have a side hustle, not to get rich, but to survive. Let me show you the 3-tier freedom engine. Stage 1, active income, the launch pad. Start with what you know, freelancing, tutoring, coaching. Use Upwork, LinkedIn, or Internshala. Start imperfect, but start. Stage 2, semi-passive income. The momentum build once, get paid often. Digital products, YouTube, newsletters. Leverage AI tools. ChatGPT to write, Canva to design, 11 Labs to voice. Stage 3, passive income, the legacy. This is where money works for you. Think index funds, rental income, government bonds. It's not effortless, it's front-loaded, but worth it. Now here's the skill stack strategy. You don't need 10 degrees, you need 3 smart skills. Writing plus SEO plus AI, that's a blog business. Design plus marketing plus Canva, that's a digital store. Pick 2 skills you already have. Learn 1 new in 60 days, for free. Real people are already doing it. A mom in Delhi sells Canva journals, now makes $60,000 a month. A laid-off techie teaches Python on YouTube, earns 6 figures. A student ghostwrites LinkedIn posts and paid his tuition in 10 weeks. You're not stuck. You're one decision away from freedom. No one's coming to save you. But you don't need saving. You need building. And everything you need is already inside you. If this video gave you real value, the kind nobody else gives away for free, then do 3 things. First, hit subscribe. I'm building a free library to help you build the wealth they never taught you. Second, like the video and drop a comment. Tell me your favorite part and what you'll automate this week. Third, binge the full playlist. This is not a motivational one-off. It's a fire blueprint for your lifetime. The previous video is linked below, and the full series is right here on Value Over Vanity.